Good day and welcome to today's chemistry class for beginners. Today, we're going to be treating the topic, the atom. But before we continue, I would like you to please like, share and comment this on this page and share with your friends. Now, the atom started by J.J. Thomson, describing it as a plum model looking like an orange with the seeds in the middle representing the charges. But that model could not hold when Lord Rutherford came up with his own model, the nuclear model, where he described that the atom looks like the solar system, with the nucleus being in the center, where the protons and neutrons are found, while the electrons revolve around the nucleus. This particular model also could not last when Niels Bohr came up with his own model. I'm referring to the quantum mechanics, where he described that, quite alright, the atom looks like the solar system, but the electrons do not lose energy randomly. They do so in packets, in quantas. That is why he created energy levels, which you see represented as the lines. Now, the atom on its own, the atom, which has been believed to be indivisible, is actually divisible. I'm sure you know by now that science normally evolves, and in this evolution, so many things that we used to know to be correct are turned down on their head. A good example is the atom that we have always thought to be indivisible is divisible. The only difference now is that it is the smallest unit of the element that will still retain the chemical properties of that element. The mass number of an atom can be derived by adding the proton number and the neutron number. Once you add that together, you get the mass number. So a good example, if sodium has 11 protons and 12 neutrons, then the mass number of sodium will be 11 plus 12. Do not forget that proton number is atomic number, so that the atomic number of sodium will be 11. Electron number normally determines chemical properties of an element. And isotopes, of course, we know are atoms that have same atomic number but different mass numbers. The mass number come due to the difference in neutron number. Also, you can see that protons are positively charged with a mass of 1. Electrons are negatively charged with no mass, while neutrons have no charge but have a mass of 1. Proton number is atomic number is proton number. I've repeated this over and over again. Do not forget it. When the number of protons equal the number of electrons, then the atom is electronically neutral. It is neither negative nor positive. But when the proton number is greater than the number of electrons, then the atom will be electronically positive. It means it will show a positive charge. On the other hand, when the number of protons is less than the number of electrons, then the atom will be electronically negative. With all this, I'm sure we have been able to explain vividly some one or two things about the atom. And by now, you should have known that virtually every material you see, from your plastics, your air conditioners, and any other matter that you see around, all contain atom. That atom is the smallest particle of these materials that can still maintain the properties of that particular element. At this point, I would like to appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next class. But as usual, please like, share and comment and pass on this video to your friends. Thank you.